welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change a camera during animation. So let's dive in depth. First things first, we have added the camera to the scene and we have this default cube. So let's add another camera. For example, Shift A. So I want to add another camera. Click on it. It's gonna be adding another camera. So it's over there. Grab it just a little bit like this. Hit G and grab it over there. So let's rotate it on the axis. Just like this. We have two cameras in the scene. So when setting up an animation, we may need to get quite a few different camera angles. While we could animate the camera to jump around, we can also use multiple cameras. You might notice in the scene properties that the camera selector doesn't have an option key for keyframes. So let's drag it up just a little bit. We have this timeline editor like this for animation. I want to add an animation, so just click on this dot over there, enable it, then grab it on the x-axis just a little bit. Click over here. It's gonna be adding one keyframe, so let's move it just a tiny bit to, for example, 100. Then grab it on x-axis, and we've added another keyframe on the timeline editor. So in order to understand which camera is active, go over scene properties like this, click on it, click on this drop down menu scene, and click over here. We have two cameras. You can select between these two cameras as shown in our tutorial. So let's move on to show you the animation and trying to change the camera during animation. Then to change the active camera during an animation, you will need to use markers. So how to do it? Let's see what we have. By clicking over this cube to select it, so highlight it in orange, then go over marker, and the marker is going to be bending camera to markers just like this. And then let's play animation using spacebar, and let's see which camera is going to bend. For example, so to change cameras with the markers, go to the layout workspace or just any workspace with the timeline open just like this. So let's select the camera, go over marker, then bend camera to markers like this. For example, in this timeline, as you can see over there, hit 0 to go to camera view. First drag the playhead to start of the animation, select marker, add marker. So let's play animation, and you can see that the first camera is active, and after 14 seconds after this time, you can see that this is the second camera is active as shown in our tutorial. Something to keep in mind is that we could achieve pretty much all the same effects with just one camera. Problem with using one camera is that if we need to change and keyframe properties of a camera, it will make configuration much more tedious. The ability to use multiple cameras gives us way more flexibility and makes the process of getting multiple shots much easier, especially if we want to use different modifiers across multiple cameras. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.